Hey, what's going on? This is Minister Gold. This is another MixItUp tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to notify users in chat when a redeem is no longer on cooldown. That way they don't have to keep looking at the channel redeems to see if it is off cooldown or not. If you find these videos helpful, please like and subscribe to get more content like this. And if you want to ask me MixItUp questions live, or just talk about gaming or whatever, you can go to twitch.tv/ministergold. Okay, so last week I posted a video about a command and a redeem. The command was exclamation point fish, which triggers lurk bait, which is to allow your chatters to get some random fish. And then I also had an add a fish redeem, which allows users to like basically generate some random info like the weight, the gold, the rarity, and post that to your Discord. And then they post an image there in your Discord in that same channel, so you can add that fish to the pool of fish that lurk bait. Like randomly allows users to catch. And so something else that I did that I didn't mention in the previous video was that also because I want people to use the redeem as much as they can as soon as it's available without like being really spammy. I added something to my add a fish redeem that tells users when it is no longer on cooldown. So if I if I turn this on and if I go over here, click on the channel redeems, go to add a fish, and I'll just type in some fish. Let me make sure my overlays are refreshed. So I'll hit enter. Okay, so some fish is added. I look at the redeems and it says reward is on cooldown. So it's actually even worse for a cooldown that requires text because at least if it didn't require text, it would tell the user, hey, you have this much time left before the redeem is available again. But when you require text, like I do for add a fish, it doesn't even tell you how much time is left. So let's turn that back off. So right now it is set to 5 minutes. For the purposes of testing, I'm going to set this to 1 minute. Unfortunately, I can't set this lower than 1 minute. I can't set it to like 30 seconds or 10 seconds. So for the purpose of just demonstrating how it works, I will set it to 1 minute. Let's go back to MixItUp and let's look at the add a fish channel reward. So I'm going to click on the menu in the top left. Going to click on Twitch channel points. I'm going to go look for add a fish. And at the bottom of this, I've added a wait action and a chat message. So click on the drop down, look for wait, add that. And right now this is set to 300 seconds because the cooldown for add a fish is 5 minutes. So right now we're gonna set it to 60, so I don't have to wait here for 5 minutes. And then after this, we'll add a chat message. Go to the drop down, look for chat message, add it, and I simply say add a fish is now off cooldown. Okay, and what I would say is I would recommend not doing this for every redeem. The reason why is because if you have every redeem doing this, you're gonna spam your chat quite a bit. If every redeem has this like so and so redeem is now off cooldown. So that's up to you, but I think it'll spam your chat quite a bit if you have every redeem telling chatters when a redeem is off cooldown. So I would only use this for redeems that you really want someone to use, at least um, either particular redeems you want them to use all the time, or if you just want them to use it like temporarily, this is what you can do to remind people, hey, this redeem is available now. And also make sure you have unlock command checked, because if you don't, then this wait action will prevent everything else from playing for that many seconds. So if you have this set for 60 and you have a follow alert go off, if this is not set to unlock, then that follow alert will wait 60 seconds. If you set this to unlock, that follow alert is not going to wait another 60 seconds. Okay, so let's save this. Now I'm going to click on add a fish again. Yeah, it's turned off. Let's turn it back on. Okay, so we are going to add another fish, and I'm going to cut the video after I redeem this. I'll see you back in a minute, and you will see that after I've redeemed the fish, a minute later, it'll show the message saying, hey, this redeem is available now. And also, I have timestamps in the chat as well, so you can see that. All right, so all right, so I'll see you back in a minute. Okay, we are back and we have the message that add a fish is now off cooldown. Let's go check. And it is off cooldown. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you set up the, I guess, notification in chat for your chatters, letting them know that a redeem is no longer on cooldown. And that's how to make it so that they don't have to keep checking back inside the channel redeems to see if it's on cooldown or not. But yeah, I'm just gonna go back here and set it back to 5 minutes so I don't forget. So 300 seconds here. So yeah, make sure if you change the cooldown over in your channel redeems, make sure you change the wait time over here as well. So I'm changing this to 300 seconds, and that means I'm gonna change this to 5 minutes. And that's it. Okay, if you found this useful, again, please like and subscribe for more Mix It Up videos. If you'd like to talk Mix It Up stuff, gaming, or just anything else in general, if you just want to chat, drop by at twitch.tv/miniaturegold, and thank you for watching. All right, see ya.